So this video is a lesson on how to create and share a new document on Google Drive. So the first thing you obviously want to do is you want to log into your Google account and you want to open up Google Drive. So I'm actually starting with my Google Drive already opened, and this is, if you look right here, this is my drive. So all the files that I'm seeing on the center part of the page are all of my files. They're files that I've created. If I wanted to see files that people had shared with me, I would have to click right here where it says shared with me. But I'm okay with being in my drive because I'm just creating a new document. So I want to go to this button right here, create, and it brings down this drop-down list. And I'm just writing an essay for Miss Arlequin's class. So I'm going to pick document. So it's going to open up a new untitled document. And so obviously I don't want to keep it as an untitled document because that's not a good way to stay organized. So once the document actually loads, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go to File. Now my computer's going a little slow. It took a while, so now it's loaded. I can click on File, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename the document. I'm going to delete untitled document. I'm always going to start by putting my name because this is an easier way for Miss Arlequin to know just at a quick glance that this is my writing assignment. And then I'm going to call it whatever assignment the title is. So right now I'm working on my Chaser character point of view. So I'm going to write character point of view task. I'm going to click OK. Now that I've renamed it, the next thing I want to do is immediately share it with Miss Arlequin. Because if I don't share it with Miss Arlequin, then she's not going to have my assignment. So it's like I did it without turning it in. So I click the share button, and this box pops up. So I want to go down to where it says invite people, and I want to type in Miss Arlequin's email. Now, since I've emailed her many times and shared documents with her, it already appears. And I just click on it. And since it's Miss Arlequin I'm sharing with, and I want her to be able to make changes to my work, and I'm pretty confident that she's not going to accidentally delete things, I'm going to leave her access so that she can edit it. However, if I was sharing this document with a classmate for peer revision, I wouldn't want them to have the power to delete things because accidents happen. And so right here, I would click on the access and change it so that they could comment on it only. Again, I'm going to give Miss Arlequin access to edit, so I don't really need to do anything right now. And since I've typed in her email, the last step is to click the share and save button. And now it's shared with her, and I click done. Now I've got my documents staring me in the face. Obviously, since it's a school assignment, I'm going to start with my heading. IS 102, I'm going to use the tab button to quickly skip 10 paces at a time, and I'm going to type my name, press enter. I'm going to put my class. I'm going to tab again, and I'm going to put the date. I don't like the way that my margins are not lined up, so I'm going to put my cursor above my name and just tab one more time so that it's equal. Now I'm going to put my cursor back to the end of the date. I'm going to press enter twice. I'm going to tab until I get to the center, and I'm going to give my writing a title. Now, I don't know what I officially want to call it yet, so I'll just give it a working title, which is the same as the task, character point of view task. I press enter 2 more times, and now I can actually start writing my letter or my diary entry. However, before I start, I know that every piece of writing that is typed should be double spaced. And so I'm going to go right up here. This is the line spacing menu button, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to change it to double spaced. And once I do that, I don't need to do anything else except keep writing. The computer's going to double space it for me. I'm going to start, since it's a diary, with Dear Diary, comma, press enter, tab, and start the first paragraph of my diary entry. And that is how you start a document in Google Drive.